Hi friends, today we are going to see demo on Snowflake data unload, and we are going to see how we can export the data in Parquet format, and then we are going to see we are also going to validate whether whatever we have exported is matching with our imported data. So we will validate from online Parquet file viewer that the exported file is matching the structure of the table. If you have not visited my recent blog on Snowflake data unload, I would request you to please have a look so that you can have much more detail on Snowflake data loading apart from this demo. Link for the blog is mentioned in the video description. Let's start with some demo. So in the left panel you can see there is no database, or we have from the old. So let me just clean up and you drop the database. Now I'm going to create a new database using the role sysadmin. So I'm keeping things simple. I'm using the old setup. I'm going to create the employee table with 12 number of rows. I'm going to create a file format whose type will be Parquet, and all the remaining parameters for the file format is default. So I'm not going to change anything. I'm going to use the same. And also I'm going to use the same internal stage, and I'm going to link the internal stage with the default file format which I just created for Parquet. Now we can query and see that we have 12 number of rows in employee table, and now I'm going to provide that, like I'm going to use the copy command to export the data, and for this I'm going to provide the file name as well. So I'm going to write the command as copy into internal stage, and then internal stage name slash I'm going to provide the name of this Parquet file. Like in previous solved example, I have not used any file name, but I just also wanted to showcase you that how you can specifically give the name of the file if you want. So for this demo, I just wanted to give the name of the file as employee and extension as Parquet, and I'm going to read that from the employee table, and I'm going to provide as header equal to 2 so that there will be header on the exported file. So let's export the data in Parquet format. You can see that 12 rows has been exported. Let's list down the file in the internal stage. So we can see, if you see, the file has been exported in employee.parquet.snappy.parquet, right? So let's now download the file. So I'm going to use the get command @internal stage / file name. So I'm just going to use this, and I'm going to download the file from internal stage to my local. I'm just executing this. So you can see that file has been successfully downloaded, and size of file is 1279 in 07. So it's very fast because it's a very small number of rows. So here if you come, you can see that there is one file. Let's see if we can open this file in Notepad++. So you can see that we are not able to see the data, and everything is in I think it's, I don't know, but it's junk value, right? So we can't see this data. But if we want to validate, like in all the previous example, we have seen that when we open the file, we are able to see the data. But in this case, we are not able to see the data because we don't have the Parquet reader, right? So what we will do, we will use the I have one Parquet Viewer online website open. Here I will just provide the destination for our file. So I'm just going to copy this, and I'm going to provide that here, and just select the Parquet file and click on open, and just verify that I'm not robot, and then I am going to submit the file. The moment I submit the file, on the down you can see that on the blue, that you can see that there are all the 25 rows. So yeah, we can see all the 12 rows in the same format, like employee ID, employee name, region, contact. So this Parquet viewer is maintaining the file or column ordering as well, and the number of rows as well, right? So everything is perfect. The same thing we can also visualize on our command editor, that if I execute this select star from employee, you can see the same data in the database level as well. So now we have validated that whatever we have exported has been successfully exported because by using the online Parquet Weaver, we have validated the data as well. So that's how you can validate the data and also export the data in Parquet if you want. Hopefully you like this video. Thank you.